Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the target project. Make sure you are signed into MS Project Online or Project for the Web with permissions to manage resources, because without rights you cannot create groups. Once done, navigate to the Project Web app or the Resource Center. This centralizes resource management. Now open the project and keep a saved backup, then switch to the resource view. This prepares you to add a group without disrupting assignments, which helps avoid conflicts later. You now create and configure the resource group. From the Resource Center, select New and pick Resource Group, or use Project Web App Settings to add a group. This determines scope. Name the group clearly, set capacity and roles so scheduling calculates correctly. Then add members from the resource pool. Make sure each member's availability and skill tags match the group purpose. Once members are added, apply a group-level calendar and default cost rates so assignments inherit consistent settings and forecasts remain reliable. You finish by assigning the newly created group to tasks and publishing your changes. Assign at the task level, confirm units and contouring, and then publish so the server recalculates allocations. After publishing, review resource usage and run leveling to resolve over-allocations. This avoids schedule slips. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then calendars and duplicate resource ID. Those are common causes. Finally, communicate the change to stakeholders so everyone knows the new group and its responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.